It's as you can see, absolutely gorgeous autumn day. It's really quite mild out there, but even though he said he'd taken his work elsewhere now, he still can't sit outside. I mean, it's a beautiful day, but you can't sit out on the deck or sit in the garden because he's working on his cars again. And you know, nowhere in the advertisement for this property was it mentioned that we'd be living over a car garage where this kind of work would go on, and nowhere in my contract does it state it. But it still goes on anyway.